Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kweenzilla. If you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And you've been seeing this pretty girl right here, you're welcome back to my channel. As the title of this video says, it's my 1 year anniversary after the big chop. My 1 year being natural, my 1 year after last year that I cut my hair. Anyway, you guys get it. It's 1 year since I did the big chop, and I'm going to be showing you guys my hair. I'm going to be showing you how long it is right now, how full it is, and the products I've been using on my hair since I cut it. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, I washed my hair last night and there are no products in it right now, and I just put it in a do-rag. I do have a wash day routine up on my channel. I haven't made any new wash day routine because I haven't changed any of the products I've been using on my hair. I'm still using the same products because it's good for my hair. So when I washed my hair last night, first I used this deep treatment mask. I always use it anytime I take my hair out of my cornrows. I always deep condition my I always deep condition my hair. I either do it right after I take out my cornrows, or I do it while I'm washing my hair, but yesterday I did it before I washed my hair. So this is the Sheer Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. Shampoo my hair to get all the dirt out. I use the Sheer Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Here, this is the shampoo. This is the only shampoo I use for my hair. Right here, you can see I'm almost out. It's all the way at the bottom. This is the only shampoo I use for my hair. And for my conditioner, okay, I kind of switched my conditioner because it doesn't give me a lot of slip on my hair. It doesn't work for me. I just didn't like how it just feels like, okay, calm down, Queen, calm down. Okay, calm down. Okay, I stopped using that conditioner because it wasn't working for my hair. It was working but not working at the same time. I don't know, my hair didn't kind of absorb it. I didn't see any difference after I finished using the conditioner. So I switched it to their Sheer Moisture Manku Honey and Mufara Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner with fig extract and boba oil. Please God, help me, tell me I'm pronouncing this correctly. But this is the conditioner I started using, and guys, let me tell you, this conditioner smells like heaven. It smells so good, and it's so good for my hair. And I'm telling you, okay, let me take this rag off so you guys can actually see my hair. So I can see there's no product in my hair, but you can see how soft my hair actually is. This is after I just used this conditioner on my hair. It makes my hair really soft and keeps my hair hydrated. That's like, this is what works for me, and I'm going to stick deep conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner I use, and I'm going to use it in this video. I'm going to show you guys how I use it, so don't worry. This is how it is on a daily, because I have my hair in cornrows and I have to keep it hydrated. I always use their virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment with coconut milk, and God knows I can't pronounce this, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I use this, is their coconut milk, right? Every 2 days I use it on my hair when I have my cornrows in, and it just keeps my hair moisturized and smelling nice at the same time. Some of the products I don't have here because I'm out of them, but I use it on my hair religiously. I use a lot of coconut oil, organic coconut oil on my hair. I use the Hobaba. I'm gonna put a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. I use the Cantu Hobaba and raw shea butter oil on my hair. I also use a lot of argan, black castor olive oil, vitamin E oil on my hair. I just mix everything into like a spray bottle and then just use it on my hair. And I also started using this, I mentioned this in my last video when I was doing my mini twist. I started using this Top Secret Bionic growth oil right here. I'm almost out, but I'm getting more because it's so good for my hair. It's been making my hair grow like crazy. So this is what it looks like. I love how it comes. Let me show you guys. Okay, it doesn't take me that long to open. I don't know what it's actually, you see, just, and then it comes all the way. So after so much talking, let's finally get into my hair. My leave-in conditioner, get a good amount and just, so usually after like putting in my leave-in conditioner, I usually use a type of oil to seal the leave-in conditioner in, but since I do not have any oil with me right now, like I'm being very honest, I do not have any type of oil with me, I think I'm just going to use my leave-in conditioner like that. So lovelies, I have finished combing my hair, well, the older sections of my hair, and this is the amount of fallout I have or had or happened. So this amount of fallout that came from my hair. And now it's time to do a length check. If you're wondering, my hair is, ouch, 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 my hair is 4B, 4C, and at the nape or the back of my neck is kind of 4A. The curls there are more defined. But this is my hair in all its glory. Let me think, we're coming. All this hair on my hair. So guys, this is my 1 year growth. This is how full my hair is. This is how full my hair is. I can't believe this is actually my hair. So let's do the length check. This is what you've been waiting for. We're going to do the length check for the front part of my hair, and I'm just going to use this brush to kind of get it straight. So okay, for the side of my hair, this side, I remember this was like when I cut my hair, this was like the shortest side of my hair. I'm going to put a side-by-side picture, guys, so don't worry. This was like the shortest part of my hair because I cut it so short. Okay, and this is how long it is now. I'm trying to get like the actual length. Here, 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 period, 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 period. And this side is, let's see, this side is, let me see, I think almost the same length, yeah, to my neck. It's to my neck, and also the middle of my hair. You can't see it, but all this hair, you can't even see the length check, but I think I have to. This is how long the middle, okay, let me come. Oh my god, it's how long the middle of my hair is. This hair is everywhere. This is the back part of my hair. I'm not even, okay, wait, I have to stretch this out. Let me stretch. Okay. Oh, you guys can see how I'm struggling. I'm trying to show you guys the length of my hair. I'm struggling, guys. Okay, let me make sure I comb this. So this is how long the back part of my hair is in front, and at the I don't know, when it comes to the back, it's always difficult. And this back part. So guys, this is 1 year of growth, and I think I've actually come a long way. I remember like the first time I cut my hair, I did this thing. I put the rubber band over my head like this and tried to put my hair in like a bun, and it didn't work out that way. But 1 year later, I love it, guys. I love my hair so much. This is 1 whole year later. So I'm just going to show you guys some before and after pictures of how much my hair has grown in these next clips. Okay, you've come to the end of this video. Like, this is the end. This is the end of the video. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, guys. It means a lot to me if you made it all the way to the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right here, right there. You can hit the subscribe button. No one's gonna okay. I also have a natural hair playlist on my channel if you want to check that out. I post videos of my natural hair. My wash day routine is up there, my mini twist is up there, my finger coils is up there, and yeah, I have a natural hair. I'm just gonna link it somewhere here. I'm blabbing right now. So thank you for watching this video. Bye guys. Bye.